You're a freelancer and you're not making enough money. You've tried to make this work using freelance sites. You know them all. You have all these rules to follow. You can even get banned or blocked at will from these sites for no apparent reason. And worse, they don't even want you talking directly to the client. The reason? They aren't your clients, they're theirs. All you are is a service provider. Now here's the real kicker. They try and make you compete on price. You know what I mean. You always have someone that is willing to do the job for less peanuts than you are. Are you tired of that? It's no wonder you can't meet your income goals. How can you while you're racing to the bottom competing on price? You can't. For far too long, the information from all the gurus trying to sell you on how to use those sites has been wrong. The information you've gotten from all the YouTube videos, podcasts, and blogs still has you confused and lost. You still have no ability to realize your dream of having an amazing business that gives you and your family the life you deserve. Let's change that right now. In the next 24 hours, if you're really ready, you can get on the right path and off the hamster wheel. You've struggled long enough. I know that right before a huge breakthrough in our lives, there's serious pain. Well, you've been in pain, serious pain, long enough. Now it's time for your breakthrough. If you're ready for your breakthrough, I would be honored to help.